guys, I'm doing a little experiment with the GraviTrax. Let's have a look what it does.
So
and that's what it does, but it stops there.
Here's the other way around.
So it works both ways?
Yep.
Okay.
Here's the 3. Not enough momentum.
Do it the other way around. No.
Because it just... That's... So we've upgraded it a lot, and this is how it works.
Wait there. Oops, there. That's all, folks, for now. Obviously you have to keep doing this. It's not automatic, but we will work on it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. Just a little experiment done.